Okay, class. Can we start? Yes, we need to start now. So today, as I said, we are learning about three major things. What are those three major things? The first one is what?
Motif.
The second one is what? The last one is what?
Print.
Print. So let's talk. The first thing is called motif. What exactly is motif? I know you have been taught motif since like maybe I think year 2 thereabout. You want to say something? Okay.
Excuse me, sir. Do you have a YouTube channel?
Yes, I do.
Yes. Chapter Finance.
On my YouTube channel, my name is Odetola Ebenezer Israel. You will see a lot of videos how to use Canva and a lot of more. So, the first thing, motif. When we talk about motif is called a unit of design. And thank God I'm wearing a motif clothes today. Yeah, a clothes with a motif. A motif is a unit of design. What do I mean by that? It simply means that when we have designs, one of it that is repeated several times is called a motif. Let's observe this quote very well and tell me what is a motif there. What the motif you are saying there? What the symbol? The B. The B. The B is now being repeated what?
And the line. And the T.
The B and the line in between was it's now repeated what? Several times. That means the B means what? A big boy. Am I looking at the big boy?
No, yeah, baby. So,
the B is not for big boy, it's B for baby.
yes.
Okay. So the B on these clothes, which is for Bitcoin, is being repeated several times. Not for Bitcoin. So an example of business, okay, B for business. Okay, let's talk about the motif over here. These are motifs, and they are like African motifs. This is a guy blowing a horn. This is like a circle. This is like a bird. This is like a snail. This is another bird. This is a pan. This is a drum. This one I don't know, looking like two snails.
Yeah, no, look, it's two snails.
Yes, two snails. Yes, this is we call it
chicken
cowrie.
Yeah, cowrie, yes.
Footprint. So those are motifs. Now, when we take one of it and we repeat it several times on a cloth, what will it become?
It will become pattern.
It will become a pattern. Let's talk. The first thing.
I already did.
This is a motif. I want to conclude it. And I said a motif is a unit of design. That means one design. An example of motif again is this.
Oh yeah, that's true.
On your clothes, can you point to a motif you can see on your clothes? The school bag. The school bag. The line. One of the lines. The school bag. So far you have one school bag on your clothes is what? It is a motif. So let's move on. The next one we are talking about is called pattern.
This is pattern.
Yes, that's Ankara.
This would be my
A pattern, let's meet up. A pattern is a design in which lines, shapes, form, or color are repeated. On the surface. See that? Let's repeat this slide. It's just 7 slides. That means a line or colors or any other form of design are repeated several times. This word repeated is the major thing. And check it over here. This is a design which has a line, which has color. It is now being repeated. What? Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Go and tell your teacher that I am playing in the class. Go out of my class. Go and tell your teacher that I am playing. Check it out. It has color. It has line. It has so many things. It is now being repeated what? Several times. Example, the Ankara that we wear. An example is this cloth again. The B being repeated what? Several times. One of it, if I take one of the B, it is what?
Motif.
A motif. If it is now repeated several times, it is what? Pattern. If I use this design as it is like this, and I stamp it on this place, it is called what? a motif. If I do a lot of it, it will become what? A pattern. Any question on difference between motif and pattern?
No.
Okay, can somebody tell me the difference?
Excuse
What are the
me.
differences
I
between
don't
motif
know.
and
I
pattern?
know it's the difference. The design that the pattern is a design which nine shapes, form, or colors are repeated. The pattern is that motif is not repeated. The pattern is repeated. But
He said, let me explain.
Don't repeat that. It's a motif.
Look up. The part that is repeated is called a motif. Meaning that this one that is being repeated several times is called what? A motif.
Okay, I know
That means one of it is
also
called a motif.
yes.
You understand?
Like
You
this
get
one.
it? You get it? Question, madam. You want to answer? Thank you.
Ma, I want to answer.
Okay, you want to answer?
A motif is one.
One. It's a unit of design. Don't use one. You are not in primary one. A motif is what? It's a unit of a design. Why a pattern is what? Repeated motif.
Yes, sir.
Okay, using your words. Can we do something? Using your own English, your words, anyhow you can describe it. Tell us the difference between motif and pattern.
A motif is like one shape,
Okay?
and a pattern is repeating that shape.
Thank you, boy. Bros.
Plus.
You cannot use this word again, you know. You cannot use this the way you use the way you
Yes.
actually
And
construct
you
that
can
word
use
again.
my words. It's like
Think about it. I'm coming back. Stand up. Up. I'm thinking. Up.
motif is one picture.
One picture.
A pattern is many.
Multiple picture. That's same picture. Thank you. One unit of a design, yes. Several units of a design. Thank you. You are busy now. Bros.
A motif.
Stand up and be thinking. Madam.
A motif is a design that is not repeated many. But a pattern is a design that is the motif repeated many times.
Many times. Thank you. Okay, bros.
A motif is like a design.
A design is like a design, okay? Guys, only one. Plenty. Why do you use plenty? Which one is plenty? Are you allowed to do that? Why pattern is what? Much. Oh, much food, are you?
Correct your English.
Okay, you want to hurt my English?
Yes, it says many, thank you.
What's the
Easy you.
I did that. Okay, now tell me. The difference between motif and design.
A motif is when you have.
Stand up and be thinking.
Yes, a motif is a color or a shape.
It's a color of a shape. It's a color or a shape, okay?
It's a color or a shape or a design of something repeated multiples of times.
Okay, so motif is repeated multiple times.
It's a pattern.
Okay, next person. One image, I like that.
While a pattern is an image repeated
Several times. Thank you.
You have something to say.
It's what?
That is
Like form of shape, okay?
is summer. And have you got yes.
Multiple of shape, okay? Madam, what do you need for? I can give you like asthma.
Motif is like an image or picture, a pattern of one unit.
One unit here.
And the pattern is a repeating unity.
Thank you, Gerald.
I
I know you five, you are telling me. I know I was told. Tell me. Hey! You know I've sent some people out.
Motif is one letter.
One letter. So you're using my own Bitcoin to explain it again. Okay, now tell me yours.
A motif is one shape printed one time.
Okay,
But
the pattern.
a pattern
Now,
is shape
that's
printed
now
many
repeated
times.
several times.
A motif is when you do one and then you put it. You start doing it all over again. What's that about?
Think again.
Yeah, I said a motif is when you do it once and then you like.
Correct her, please.
Correct.
Correct her. Okay, now tell him.
A motif is when you paste one and then keep on doing it. Like
That-
again.
that- No. Using
Correct.
a word. Using a word.
A motif is when you use something only once.
Only once. Make a
And
here.
a pattern is
And a
when
pattern. He said, and a pattern is what?
you
No, no, man.
use it several
Mass is not allowed in Nigeria.
Few words.
It's not comfortable again.
And a pattern is when you use that thing
Several
several
times.
Sorry,
Okay,
you
good.
take it.
Let's move on. See that, everybody? Now, the last one is called a print or
like
printing.
that one.
Print or printing. What's printing?
I don't know.
Okay. Printing is a process of decorating textile fabric. So it is a process of decorating textile fabric. Yes, that's how you make Ankara. It's the process of decorating textile fabric by applying or by application of pigment. What's pigment? Color. By the application with the use or with the application of applying pigment.
Supreme head of script.
Okay. And also, apart from using pigment, we can also use dye or any other relatable materials in the form of pattern. Simply means that, look up, printing, let me explain. Printing is now what we are doing today. Like this now, I put this in a pigment. This is design in a pigment.
This
And I
are
on it.
these are Ankara.
Example, this is also a printing, but this is
This
look up, hey!
Can you please?
I'm sending another person out now. Let me explain so that you understand. This is an industrial printing. This was designed using maybe CorelDRAW, maybe Photoshop, maybe Canva. Then the person used the B in one place and repeat it several times. Then after the person prints it out. The person can print it on A4, the person can print it on a cloth, the person can print it on a shoe, the person can print it anywhere. The process of transferring it on a surface is called print. So there are two types of print. There is manual print. Manual can be the use of hand. Some people do this clothes with the use of hand. So what they do is, example, look at this thing over here. They use wood. The pattern of this flower is already on this wood. What they will do, which is the one we are doing today, they will now put this in a plate, then stamp it. Just like stamping your palm several times.
Oh, I like that.
It's
Nobody
okay.
has to.
It's okay. Now, this is also another type of print,
Ooh, I like.
which is the industrial. The industrial, they use machine. Thank you. So they use, even for the clothes that you are wearing, most of the clothes you wear, they use industrial. But if you see tie and dye, we use what? Our hands to do that, which we are going to be wearing soon. This is also the tie and dye, the print one. So we have another one called mesh. This is called mesh. I'm still going to introduce you when you get to year 4. Mesh is what you use to transfer. When you're this is mesh, and mesh is majorly used to transfer design also on the surface. And this is the wood one. This madam is going to be what? Stamping the wood one after the other to form the design. So the next one. Let's see what we have as the next one.
I feel like this. Quiz.
Good. I'm going to divide you into 4 groups. Into 3 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. 1, Group 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Group 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Group 3. Let's answer the question. Let's start from Group 3. Group 3. Group 3. You are part of Group 3. You are from that madam. 1, 2, 3, 4. You are Group 3. And you have to answer this question right now. Hello? I'm talking to you. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 of you are. And you have to answer this question right now. The question is, motif is a dash. Let's answer. Is it a design? Don't want you to answer this question. Is it a unit of design or is it a pattern? Brainstorm and tell me the answer. Think about the answer. What's the answer? Have you brainstorm about it? Is it talking on behalf of you guys?
Yeah.
What's the answer? Are you sure it's a unit of design?
No, sir. I know.
What's the answer?
Design.
It's a design. Are you sure it is a design?
It's a unit of the design. It's a unit of the design.
Okay, if you are let 4 of you vote, what's your answer? Okay, vote. If you are going for the design, raise up your hand. If you are going for the unit of design, raise up your hand. You are wrong. That's not Wait, can you convince me that you are right?
Yes. This is a. Sir, you do motif one. Then pattern, you copy it.
Then design go.
Okay, sir.
I'm good enough and I can explain this.
Do you watch Want to Be a Millionaire too?
Yeah.
You just won 1 million naira. Okay, let's move to Group 1. Group 1, the next question. Group 1, pattern are dash.
Repeated design. Are you sure? Yes. Because that Ankara was repeated more than one time. I don't think
I'm going to
Ankara.
repeat the question. Because you just got it wrong and right. Alright. Group 2. Group 2, a very hard question for you guys. Group 2, a very hard question for you guys. Print can be done on dash. Can you tell me where print can be done
For change size. Okay, do your own.
No.
Okay, keep on.
Later, print can be done on dash. Madam, Group 2. Print can be done on what?
Can be done on paper.
Paper.
Yes.
So you are saying me that print can be done on paper. Okay? Another person in Group 2. Madam, Bros. All of the above.
Correct.
Even on the floor.
Yes, you can do it. Is this one? Yes. You will not say
Yes.
Even on clothes.
You will be
Yes.
Look at your clothes.
Okay, fine. No, I know. Clothes is fine. Even on the floor.
Yes. This is a motif. One of these is a motif. Then you piece it.
So you have seen motif before on the floor. Sir James, should I send them out of the class?
Like those kind of rocks.
Sir, somebody texted.
So you have seen some motif before on the floor.
So you have not seen it.
Okay. To answer that question, let's go to Google. Let's see. Let's search the word floor motif.
Yes.
Look at this parlor.
Look at it.
Look at this walkway. What is your final answer? Let me see. Computer, can you delete one wrong answer and give us the correct one? You actually got it right. The answer is all of the above. So, thank you very much. Let's move to our practical class.